everyone, and welcome to EBC Learning. Do you know what is special about 26 November? It is Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, and more commonly, the National Law Day. So, what is its significance? We celebrate this day to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. Now, why did I say adoption? It was on 26 November 1949 when the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect on 26 January 1950, which we celebrate as Republic Day. I am Bijitri Roy, and here are 5 significant milestones of 2019 and 20. First, the abrogation of Article 370. 5th August 2020 marked the first anniversary of the abrogation of Article 370, abrogation of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. We saw the conversion of the erstwhile state into 2 union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So, Jammu and Kashmir now no longer has a separate constitution, flag or anthem, and the citizens no longer have dual citizenship. Next, all laws passed by the Indian Parliament now apply to Jammu and Kashmir. Also, the Ranbir Penal Code has been replaced by Indian Penal Code. Additionally, Article 35A stands null and void. Lastly, the Indian Constitution and all other central laws are applicable to Jammu and Kashmir. Alongside, the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act of 2019 was passed. Second, the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. After a lot of discussions since the passing of the Citizenship Amendment Bill, the Act was finally passed on 11th December 2019. So, any person belonging to the religious minorities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh or Pakistan who entered India on or before 31st of December 2014 shall not be treated as illegal migrants. The aggregate period of residence for such persons shall not be less than 5 years. Earlier, this period was 11 years, which has now been amended by the CAA. Next, we saw the grant of the Permanent Commission by the Ministry of Defence to women officers in the armed forces. The order grants Permanent Commission to Short Service Commission women officers in all 10 streams of the Army, that is, Army Air Defence, Signals, Engineers, Army Aviation, Electronics and Mechanical Engineers, Army Service Corps, Army Ordnance Corps, Intelligence Corps, Army Educational Corps, and Judge and Advocate General. The order was passed following the February 2020 judgment of the Supreme Court. The next significant milestone, the new farmers' legislations. The enactment of the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection, Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, and the Essential Commodities Amendment Act of 2020 signifies the ushering in of the long-awaited comprehensive agri-marketing reforms. The vision of doubling farmers' income signifies a paradigm shift in agricultural policies from ensuring food security to income security of farmers by maximizing their gains through post-production activities. These acts promise to ensure income security of farmers on a sustainable basis. Another noteworthy milestone, the 3 labor codes: the Industrial Relations Code Bill, the Code on Social Security Bill, and the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code Bill. Now, in the Industrial Relations Code Bill of 2020, the government proposes steps that are likely to provide more flexibility to employers for hiring and firing workers without government permission. The Social Security Code proposes a National Social Security Board to recommend formulation of suitable schemes for different sections of unorganized workers, gig workers, and platform workers. And finally, the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code has defined interstate migrant workers as a worker who has come on his own from one state and obtained employment in another state, earning up to Rs 18,000 per month.